Hey, what's up, guys? Another video here about car detailing and improving the overall cleanliness and look of your vehicle. I like to make vehicles look brand new, making vehicles great again. This was a Impala that had a whole bunch of tar on the side, and I just finished it up. I just wanted to go through a procedure with you guys, tell you step by step how I do detailing. First off, I will wash the car. It is approximately 30 degrees outside here. I got a heated shop without a drain, you can see. So what I do is I get a hot bucket of water, and just plain water, and I wash the car down with water first. Then I do a wax and dry with, and no, I'm not sponsored by any of these people, but Turtle Wax. I do wax and dry with Turtle Wax to dry it off. Then I go to tires and I do my first initial spray down with these two products, Bleach White and Quicksilver, on the entire rim and tire. From there, I let that sit and I do the outside windows. The outside windows with a paper towel, and I've tried a variety of different window cleaners, and really none of them are better than any other ones. Almost, it seems like they all work about the same. So I don't know, I've got a few different kinds here. Invisible glass. I kind of prefer the aerosol, but it doesn't really matter. These windows were kind of bad. I had to go back and do them about 2 or 3 times. There's just a film over them, and when I'd see a spot, it'd drive me nuts. I have to go back and hit it. So what I do is the outside, I get the all outside done. I seal her up. The outside, I do the inside. All right, and once again, the client showed up before I could finish my video today. So let me just walk you through the final steps here. What I do is I finish the outside, and then I go to the inside. And what I'll do is I'll remove all the floor mats and get down to the bare carpet. First I do a regular vacuum, just a shop vac, and then I go to the shampooer. Shop vac kind of works as a shampooer if you get the really soiled areas good and soaked. Otherwise, I use the small shampooer, or I have a larger one and an extra one on the side. From there, what I do is I don't know if I went to I told you the outside. I do 2 waxes. I do the wax and dry, and then I go with the Meguiar's Tech Wax. And for a lot of tar and stuff, like I said, I either go to the Turtle Wax Polish Compound or the Turtle Wax Rubbing Compound. This rubbing compound really worked well for me today with the tar. The engine degreasing is the final step I do, just in case. Usually that's what I do right before I tell the customer, because it doesn't really take very long. So honestly, on the engine degreasing, I just hit it with the Super Mean Green, super strength. I'll spray it all down one time and then wipe it down with a rag, and then I go to the inside. The inside, this is my product of choice, Gryets, or however you pronounce it. Speed Shine works, in my opinion, much better than Armor All. Armor All seems to always leave a spotty disposition on the vinyl and the dash and stuff. So I really try to get away from that. I like Meguiar's stuff a lot. They have a good cleaner wax, and I've got this. I dropped it and the corner popped up, but this they got a good tire gel, as well as that super wax that I showed you. From there, I do the inside windows, dash, all the Armor All type stuff, but I do it with the like I said, the now this product, this Speed Shine, if you go to AutoZone, they're wanting about 17 or 18 bucks for a bottle of this. It's much cheaper online. I highly suggest it online. The carpet, I use a variety of things. Probably the number one product is this common carpet stain and spot remover you can get from any Dollar General or Walmart. And then my backups are the good old 409, the Tough Stuff, and I use a combination of actually of the this stuff here and all four of them, and I'll add them and some Febreze usually to the shampooer itself. Sometimes some mean green too, depending on how bad it is. Inside windows, trunk, and then finish it up, like I said, with under the hood and the final tire shine. Tire shine, like I said, I usually use the Meguiar's tire gel. I found that there's a stuff called No Touch tire. It works okay. There's some tire stuff you can get that promises 3 to 4 months shine. Yeah, I think they're all liars because there's no tire stuff that I've found that lasts more than maybe just a few days for shine. Rims will stay clean, somewhat, but I've used pretty much everything you can imagine in the auto care cleaning industry, and I used to be a big new finish guy, but really, honestly, it leaves so many white spots and cracks and stuff like that it's just not conducive to what I'm trying to get done. So I stay away from that. I go with the Meguiar's and the Turtle Wax. I'm a big Turtle Wax guy, but I just want to end this now and let you guys know we'll be back tomorrow or Monday for another detail video. Help you guys bypass all the garbage products and how to be efficient and get that car looking brand new again. Thanks a lot. You guys have a blessed day.